Special algebraic identities obtained through expanding. In this math tutorial, you will learn 1. What is a binomial? 2. How to expand the square of a sum. 3. How to expand the square of a difference. 4. What are conjugate expressions? 5. How to expand the product of two conjugates. 6. How to expand the cube of a sum. 7. How to expand the cube of a difference. 8. How to expand expressions of type a minus b times a2 plus ab plus b2. 9. How to expand expressions of type a plus b times a2 minus ab plus b2. 10. How to expand the square of the sum of three variables. 11. How to combine special identities in the same exercise. Introduction. We explained in the previous tutorial how to expand algebraic expressions when they contain brackets. Now, we will use this knowledge to learn more about some special algebraic identities that it is important to know when dealing with algebra, as these identities in a certain sense represent the pillars of algebra. That is all for introduction to special algebraic identities obtained through expanding. To start this tutorial, please watch the first lesson 6.3.1, the meaning of a binomial. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.